MSI Forge GM300 Mouse review. So the MSI Forge GM300 is a budget-friendly wired gaming mouse offering up to 7200 DPI. So it has 7 buttons apparently. RGB lighting marketed as suitable for both palm and claw grips and even friendly to left-handed users. So what follows is basically the pros and cons. So it does have good basic specs for the price. According to official spec or the official spec sheet, the GM300 offers selectable DPIs or the presets of this. There's also symmetrical designs, which is usable for both palm and claw grip styles, as we mentioned. Simple and straightforward feature set with 7 buttons. The GM300 covers the essentials for gaming or general use. The price is also accessible for users not looking to spend a premium. This mouse offers decent specs at a lower cost compared with high-end models. So if you are looking for a competent wired gaming mouse and your budget is modest, then this GM300 MSI Forge mouse is good for the price. Comfortable shape for many hand styles and the essentials for gaming. However, if you're very competitive, want ultra lightweight performance, or demand best in class build and software, you will be able to find better options, but albeit a higher cost. So, again, it's worth buying if you're budget conscious and don't need top tier features, but you can probably skip this if you want cutting edge performance or premium build and you have more of a budget. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.